So for this one, it's best to start off with the chord progression. So we start off with a D. Then we play this version of a C, which is the same as a standard G, open G chord, but you just move your middle finger and first finger up one string, and then the standard open G. So you've got open D, open C, and open G. That's the chord progression we'll be following for the whole verse. So we start by holding our open D chord, and our first lick sounds like this. So basically we play the D string twice, and then the B string and the G string, like that. Then we play the G string one more time before going to the next chord, which is the C. Then we're holding this shape now, and this time we play the A string twice, and then the same two strings as before, the B string and the G string. So altogether that would be. Then we play the G string the last time before getting into the next chord. So far we have now we're into our G, open G shape. So we play the root note twice again, and this time we just play the G string on its own once. So the very last phrases. So altogether we have so we have a little lick here, and it's all hammer-ons between the open strings and the second fret. So we start off with the open A string and a hammer on the second fret. Then we move to the D string and hammer onto the second fret and pull off to the open string again. Like that. So far we've got. And then back to the second fret of the A string. So that whole lick so far is. And then we finish it off by pulling off from the second fret of the G string to the open G string, like that. So all together slowly we have okay. Then we repeat the verse from before. And now we finish off with a little pull-off lick that stays solely on the G string. So we play the open G string once. Then we pull off from the second fret of the G string back to the open G string. So far that's. And then we finish with the open G again. So that 4-note grouping would be. Then we move up to the 4th fret of the G string. We pull that off to the open G and play the G string again. So far we've got. And then we finish with a bend from the 5th fret of the G string to the 7th fret of the G string. It's quite a fast bend. Really slowly. And that's the whole intro. And after that, we just play the chord progression we learned at the start. So we have our D chord, and we play the root note twice, and strum it. Then the C chord, play the root note twice, and then the G chord, play the root note twice. So all together that would be. For this one, I'm using the second position pickup of my Strat, but you could also play it with the neck pickup, and a clean tone with just a little bit of grit will work best. Have fun with this one, and I'll see you next time.